Time is of the essence when a serious injury occurs in the wildland fire environment. The medical incident report, found in the Incident Response Pocket Guide, provides firefighters specific directions to respond effectively. This concise workflow ensures injured personnel arrive swiftly to the proper definitive care facility. This module discusses medical incident report anatomy, managing the incident, and an example of a good call-in.
The medical incident report was created in response to poor patient outcomes that arose from the lack of standardized communication when serious accidents occurred on the fire line. This tool allows for concise, practical, and direct communication. It can be used by anyone trained to fight fire, including first-year firefighters, leadership, medical professionals, and non-medical personnel. The medical incident report helps to paint a picture of the conditions on the ground, actions being taken, and needed resources. The bottom line is this tool has saved lives. Learn how to use it.
The medical incident report is comprised of 8 succinct sections. Responders should work through sections 1 through 8 chronologically. Within each section, specific and accurate information regarding the medical incident and patient or patients is captured. Simultaneously, key information is shared with dispatch, expediting medical care to the injured personnel. Responders must make certain they have accurate information before initiating the process. Know the location of the incident. This may be a specific division, specific geographic location, or exact lat-long coordinates. Proper command channel frequencies should be used for radio transmissions, ensuring all personnel on the incident are able to hear. This will expedite additional help mobilizing to the incident location. Depending on the complexity of the situation, a designated radio operator should be put in place to communicate updates with dispatched and incoming ground and aerial resources. Much like the initial size-up of a fire, responders communicate the initial incident summary during this step. Specific information responders should share includes number of patients and their status, and the command structure that's in place. Ensure you communicate which datum you're using when speaking with dispatch. This information is critical to pass on to ground and aerial resources responding to the incident. Responders should only act within their scope of care, treating the patient based on the observed general impression. The patient assessment from the IRPG is a succinct reference to work through this process. There are other reference materials found within the emergency medical care red pages of the IRPG, including specific treatments, CPR, heat-related injury, and more. Provide coordinates and descriptive location of where the patient will be evacuated from. If this location is different from where the incident occurred, provide dispatch an ETA of patient arrival. Communicate specifically the size and potential hazards of the evacuation site. This will help inform incoming resources and prevent potential accidents from occurring. Based on the patient assessment and general impression, additional life-saving measures may be required. This may include higher medically trained personnel or specific equipment. Examples may include requesting a paramedic, IV fluids, or traction devices. The designated radio operator should be coordinating with adjacent resources and/or dispatch to meet these needs as rapidly as possible. Incidents occur during physical training, on project work, and during operational assignments. All modules should complete a medical plan for each of these activities and ensure dispatch validates the identified coordinates for evac sites. This proactive measure may be the difference between life and death. All module members should know where this information is located before engaging in work for the day. On incident management team fires, this information is found within the incident action plan. Everyone on the incident should review this information and plan accordingly. If primary options fail, you must have an identified alternative. Depending on the location of the incident, consider both aerial and ground transport options. Time is crucial when ordering these resources. Be informed of how long it will take each type to get on scene and plan accordingly. Provide additional updates as necessary or as mandated by medical control protocols. Remember to confirm the ETAs of all resources ordered. Only act according to your level of medical training. Be alert, keep calm, think clearly, and act decisively.
Communications, Price Valley on command.
Price Valley, this is communications. Go ahead.
Yeah, please clear the air for emergency traffic. We have a red priority patient due to unconscious, arterial bleeding, and shock, signs of shock. The MOI will be a chainsaw cut to the leg. Transport request life flight, road ambulance. Patient location will be 45 degrees 2.318 by 116 degrees 26.592. Break. We're going to call this the Spike 3 Medical. IC will be Glanville. Patient care will be Fraser. EMT Fraser. How copy?
Dispatch copies all, Spike Medical.
Communications, Spike 3 Medical on command.
Spike 3 Medical, communications. Go ahead.
We have a patient assessment for you.
Ready to copy.
The patient is currently unconscious, shallow breathing, rapid pulse, arterial bleeding of the right leg. We applied a tourniquet and the bleeding has currently stopped. Break. Our transport plan will be ground transport from Spike 3 at this lat long, 45 degrees 2.317 by 116 degrees 26.59. Break. Additional resource needs, a request of paramedic, immobilization device, AED, oxygen, trauma bag, IV fluids. We'll be going over command for this incident. Our contingency for evac will be agency vehicle, and the crew will be extricating the patient down to the 1001 road. I was hoping you could confirm the ETA of that ambulance.
Spike 3 Medical, communications copies all. Ground ambulance has been dispatched. ETE 35 minutes.
Spike 3 Medical copies a 35-minute ETA on that ambulance. End of report. How copy?
Communications copies all.
The Medical Incident Report is a tool that supports efficient, timely, and appropriate response to accidents and medical emergencies. Like any other tool, proficiency with the Medical Incident Report comes through practice. It is up to you to ensure that you and your crew understand the intent and contents of the Medical Incident Report and how to use it before an incident occurs.